Hi everyone, myself Devanshi and again we are back with a very new video of Gladwin's Interactive Flat Panel powered by the latest chipset RK3576. This is the model which is designed for different collaborations with the seamless connectivities. It comes with the 4K Ultra HD resolution which gives the premium quality display to our clients. Now, it has the very enhanced processing power which comes with the octa-core processors of ARM Cortex which has a very good clock speed of 2.21 GHz. Now let's have a look over the features. So this panel comes with all the inbuilt AI features in which you would be not needing any license to run that. It would be free for lifetime to our precious clients. So let's have a look over the features. This is my whiteboard in which you would be getting many AI features. Let's have a look over the pen first in which we have many options with us. The text pen in which if I write anything roughly, it would be automatically converting into the smart pen. Then we have a magic pen in which if I draw any shape roughly, it would be giving me the shapes as per my shape. It would be giving the images and I can confirm it like this. Even if I want to move it anywhere across my screen, I can do that very easily. I can zoom in, I can zoom out. Even if I want to copy or delete, that can be done. Then we do have an option for the AI pen, which is the latest function of this panel. Let's suppose if I am writing something on my board. So this is how the AI function works. Now it will be giving me the three options. The one is the AI in which the OCR. What OCR means is it will convert my text into the smart text like this. Again, if I select it, I can click on the AI and the moment I click on the quiz master, this would be giving me the questions as per my keyword. Now what we have to do is we can select the grade, we can select the category and we can select the number of questions, and the moment I click on the generate, it would be generating the questions as per my preferences field. So it will be generating the questions, and the best part is with the questions I would be having the analysis and the answers as well. So let's suppose which part of the human body is primarily responsible for the circulation. And these are the four options. I can ask my students to give me the answer. And once they are done with their option, we can click on the answers and analyze. It will give us the correct answer. It's not limited only till the correct answer. It will give the analyze as well why the option is selected. So this is how the things can be done. So different questions are there with us and all the questions have the different analysis. The moment I click on the insert whiteboard, this particular question would be inserted on my whiteboard like this. I can zoom in, I can zoom out. Even if I want to move it somewhere, I can move it. So this is how the quiz option works. Then we have different options as well in the AI feature. Then I have in a creative AI, it will generate a picture as per the content. From the text, I can just edit my text from here, like this I can do. Even I can change the size as well of my word. So from here, I can change the size as well. So this is how the things work with the AI feature. Then let's move to the next feature. Then we have a thickness option. I can change the thickness as per my preference. Then from the shapes, I can have different shapes. And the best part is if I am drawing some shape, it would be automatically giving the dimensions as per my shape. So this is how these panels have many advanced features. From the toolbox, I can insert the image, I can insert the table. Now the best part is when I am clicking on the video, I can directly import the video from my Google Drive as well. So if I click on the toolbox and I'll click on the document, my Google Workspace, my Google Drive will be opened like this. And if I want to play any video or if I'm having any document, so that can be played from here. So let's suppose if I want to play some video, I can play the video like this. So this is how I can directly play the video from the Google Drive. Then we have an option. From the toolbox, we have the subject tools. From the subject tools, I have a web page from where I can search anything directly. I have an option for the functions which is meant for the mathematical graphs and algorithms. Then we have an option for the geography and the periodic tables, the molecular formulas, the maps. So all those things are there in the toolbox. Let's suppose if I want to import this particular image, so that can be imported on my whiteboard. So this is how the things can be done from here. Now we have an option from the toolbox. We have a quiz master again. The moment I'll enter the keyboard, it will be giving the quiz. From the periodic table, I can have the periodic table on my board, which can be used to teach my students about the elements. Then again from the toolbox, it's having having too much options in it. I have a quick pass also. From the quick pass, I can just transfer the files from the mobile to my panel in a single click. So this is how the things can be done. Then we have an aerial view. From where I can have the preview of my whole screen. So this is how the AI features work in the whiteboard. Then from the menu, I have settings. From where I can just enable and disable the multi-finger mode. I can change the background as well if I want some different colors. So I can change the background. From this, I can just adjust the threshold. I can just customize the toolbar. So all those things can be done. Now it comes with a very advanced feature, that is the collaboration mode. If my boards are connected with the same LAN, with the same Wi-Fi, I can collaborate the board. So by collaborating the board, I can view my board on different panels simultaneously from this board application. Then from the menu, I can scan it, which would be generating a QR code. The moment I scan this, I'll be having all the pages in my phone. So this is how I can share the document in a very easy way. Then I'm having an option for the upload. I can upload the particular file in the Google Drive or in the OneDrive in whatever format or in whatever file I want to save. So this is how my whiteboard works. Now let's come to the different features which are there in this panel. One more feature in the whiteboard. Let's suppose if I am teaching something about the tree and I want to get it searched from the Google. So the moment I click on the search, I have the browser over here. And now the best part is I can directly insert the text from the browser on my whiteboard like this. I can adjust the alignment of my text as well as if I want the pictures, I can have the pictures as well on my whiteboard. So this is how I can drag the text as well as I can drag the pictures. So this is my whiteboards feature. Then we have many like Chrome is there, Play Store is there. Then this is the user interface which resembles our phone's interface. So from here I can have an access of all the applications. In spite of these applications, if I want to install some another application, that can be done through the Play Store. From the Play Store, I can download any application which is compatible with the RK3576 chipset with Android 14.2 version. So I can use Google Meets, I can use the Zoom meetings. So all the applications which are compatible can be used from this panel. Now again we are having the Google Assistant. All the Google applications are there in our panel. From the YouTube I can play some videos. Now from here I do have an option for the AI again. The moment I click on the AI, there is an option for the circle scan. What circle scan means is, wherever I would be circling on my board, it would be automatically giving the results as per the circled element. So this is how the circle to scan works. So this is how it gets work. So I can search anything on my panel. Then we have an option with the AI Q&A, in which it works like a Gemini. I can just insert anything and I can have the answer on my phone. So this is how this works. So it works just like our AI Gemini. Then we have an option in the AI video recap. If you have some saved videos in your panel, you can have a video recap from those saved videos. From here, I can adjust the brightness, I can adjust the volume like this. And we do have many options with us, the touch log, the screen log, the screenshots that can be used as per my preference. And there is very good gesture, like if I do like this, I can just have a UI screen over my board. So this is how my AI feature works. And from here, this is the shortcut key in which I can place the applications as per my convenience. And from the settings, I'll show you one more feature. So we have two settings. One is the system settings, in which you can check the system's internal settings. And the second one is the whole processor settings, in which you would be getting the system's user interface as we use in our phones. So this is how the panel gets work. If you want to convert it into the Windows, I can insert the OPS, and that can be run in the Windows as well. So this was about the latest interactive flat panel which is launched by Gladwin. So if you have any queries or any doubts, please post in the comment section. We'll be replying each and every comment of yours. Thank you.